In this video, I will show you how to remove mobile number from Facebook account. So let's get started. First, open Facebook app on your mobile device. Now tap menu icon located at the top right side. Now tap settings and privacy. Next, tap settings. On settings and privacy page, tap account center. Now tap personal details. On personal details page, tap contact info. Over here, you will find your email address and mobile number associated with your Facebook account. Now, in order to remove the mobile phone number, just tap on mobile phone number and then tap on delete number. You will get a confirmation box. Just tap on delete. For security reasons, you need to enter your Facebook account password and once you enter the password, just tap on continue and your mobile number will be removed from your Facebook account. So that is how you can remove mobile phone number from Facebook account. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.